Hi everyone, sorry the lighting's really bad, it's dark outside and I forgot to intro my video, so here I am. If you would like to see what I eat in a day on my Slimming World journey as a vegan, then keep on watching, and if you're not already, please subscribe down below, it would mean a lot to me. And yeah, enjoy the video. For breakfast I am having 40 grams of shreddies and quite a few strawberries. I think I ended up cutting up 4, but they were really big, and some soy light milk from Alpro. So for my breakfast I'm using Healthy Extra B, Healthy Extra A and no sins. Hi guys, so it's just after 1 and I'm hungry for my lunch, so I thought I would show you what I'm having. It's leftovers from my dinner last night and it is amazing. I've just ran up the stairs so I'm out of breath, but I'll turn the camera around and show you what I've got. So here it is. It looks disgusting, but honestly, trust me, it is incredible. I've got mushroom pasta and it's really easy to make. It's actually a recipe by the Happy Pair. I will link it down below, but the creamy sauce uses cashews and soy milk, so it is a portion of my Healthy Extra A and B. I did a calculation and since I had cereal I'll need to sin it a little bit, but it's not a lot, it's less than 6 sins. I'm not being too strict with this because it's got cashews and like good fats, so yeah, don't know what I'm trying to say. It doesn't use up your sins, but it uses up a little bit of your Healthy Extra A and Bs. You just add mushrooms and red onions, let it cook, with garlic. Then you make up the sauce, which is soy milk, cashews and garlic powder, lemon juice, and I think, oh, and salt. And then you mix that up in your blender, pour it on top, add the pasta, and there you have it. It tastes so creamy and delicious. No one would believe it's vegan. I think I've made it for my mum and dad before and they really liked it as well, and they're not vegan, so I'm just having that for lunch, having it with a Diet Coke. That's my lunch so far, so I'm gonna try and do a calculation and get back to you on how many sins it will use, since I've already had my shreddies for my Healthy Extra B. Hi everyone, so it's a lot later now. It's, I would say, after dinner time. It's like just after 7, but I've not been feeling too good. I've been feeling a bit sick, so I wasn't feeling that hungry to have my dinner until now. I'm just chilling in my Christmas onesie and I'm just about to eat my dinner, so can you guess what it is? Yep, it's the usual Mayflower curry. I know I'm getting fed up myself every time I film this, it seems to be the Mayflower curry, but I promise I don't have this every day for dinner. I'll need to upload a few more of these where my dinners are a bit more diverse, but tonight was just something quick and easy. It was already in the fridge from the other night, so I just had to heat it up. So it doesn't look the best, it's a bit mushy looking, but I'm sure it will taste good. I also worked out that my lunch is 3 sins, so 3 sins or half your Healthy Extra B. And I'll turn you guys around and show you the curry. This is the curry here, so as like I said, it looks a bit mushy, but it'll taste fine. We've got broccoli, cauliflower, peas, onions, I think that's it, with rice, and of course the Mayflower curry sauce, which is usually 4 sins, but I've only had half the portion, so we'll say 4 because I might go back, but I'm not feeling that hungry just now. So total so far today is 7 sins. So I ended up not eating the other half of the curry, so it would only count as 2 sins. But for the sake of the video, if I had the whole curry, then I would count it as ending on 7 sins for the day. I hope you enjoyed watching. See what I eat in a day. Maybe you could get some ideas, and I will definitely do more where my dinner is not the typical Mayflower curry that I'm always having. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye.